Welcome back. Let's do this question. Angle A1 is 72 degrees. AB is equal to AD and equal to DC. So these are the sides that are equal. AB is equal to AD and also equal to DC. Calculate the size of theta. We want the size of this angle theta here. What can we do? We can find the size of angle D1. Angle D1 is equal to angle B. Since these are angles opposite equal sides, AB is equal to AD. We can find angle D1 and angle B, right? And then after finding angle B, we can use angle B and angle A1 to find angle D2. If we check, considering triangle ABD, angle D2 is an exterior angle. Or we can also use adjacent angles on a straight line because D1 and D2 are adjacent angles on a straight line. So any of those, right? After finding angle D2, we can find angle theta and angle A2 because angle theta and angle A2 are angles opposite equal sides. So angle theta and angle A2 are equal. These are angles opposite equal sides. Okay, let's do that. We want to find angle D1. So we can say angle B is equal to angle D1 since these are angles opposite equal sides. Angles opposite equal sides. So now angle A1 plus angle D1 plus angle B must give us 180 degrees because these are interior angles of a triangle. So we can say 72 degrees plus angle D1 plus angle B, but we say that angle B and angle D1 are equal, so we can replace angle B with angle D1, okay, is equal to 180 degrees, sum of angles in triangle, right? So 72 degrees plus 2 times angle D1 is equal to 180 degrees. And then we say 2 times angle D1 is equal to 180 degrees minus 72 degrees. And then angle D1 is equal to 180 degrees minus 72 degrees divided by 2. Remember I talked about this. I told you that if you're finding one of the angles that are opposite equal sides, you say 180 degrees minus the given angle. The given angle is 72 degrees and then divided by 2. You can just do this straight away. Okay, 180 degrees minus the given angle divided by 2. It will give you the angles that are what? Opposite equal sides. Right, so D1 here is equal to what? Angle D1 is equal to 180 minus 72 divided by 2. This is equal to 54 degrees. So this is 54 degrees. This is also 54 degrees. Now, with angle A1 and angle B, we can find angle D2, exterior angle of a triangle. So angle D2 is equal to 54 degrees from angle B plus 72 degrees from angle A1. So angle D2 is equal to 126 degrees. Okay, I forgot the reason here. The reason, exterior angle of triangle. Don't forget the reason. Even if you wanted to use adjacent angles on a straight line, you're going to use these two. You say 180 minus 54 degrees. This was going to give you your D2, which is 126 degrees. That was another method of doing it. Now, I want to find theta. Again, we can see that theta and A2 are angles opposite equal size. So we just do this step like this. So we're saying theta is equal to 180 minus the given angle. Here we got that is 126. So minus 126. So it's 180 degrees minus 126 divided by 2. Okay. And then the reason, we say sum of angles in triangle, right? Then theta is equal to 27 degrees. The other thing you could have done, you have your 126. So you say angle C is equal to angle A2, meaning that angle A2 also is theta. Theta plus 126 is equal to 180 degrees. And then sum of angles in triangle. You could have done that. And then 2 theta is equal to 180 degrees minus 126. Then divide by 2 on both sides. Theta is equal to 180 degrees minus 126 divided by 2. Then you get that theta is equal to 27 degrees. That's another way of doing it.